Hello everybody, we will do exercise on our core and preparing our legs and body for splits. So stay with me and we'll get started. So first exercise which we will do, we will take a walk on this side and try and take 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And now a little bit relax and trying to take a look inside. And now we're working with this bit. So take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good work. Take a breathe. Slowly breathe out and take down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you like this new exercise because core is working very good. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.